Hi, welcome back to Math Widgets. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about simplifications using BODMAS. How to simplify fractions, decimals when the brackets are included. Let's get into the video and solve the questions. Simplifications. So we have learned fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in whole numbers, fractions and in decimal numbers also, involving only one operation at a time. So in this chapter, we will learn how to solve numerical expressions when more than one operation is involved. Like more than one operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four operations can come more than once. So you may ask, what is numerical expression? Numerical expression means combination of numbers connected with one or more symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Also we can include of. So combination of these symbols is called numerical expression connected with the numbers. These symbols will be connected with the numbers. Okay, let's see here the example. 1/4 of 16 plus 2/8 minus 8 divided by 4. So here the numbers are connected with multiple symbols. So, after performing the operations involved in this expression, we get an answer. The process of performing fundamental operations and obtaining a value for the expression is called simplification of a numerical expression. Okay? To solve a numerical expression, we follow a definite order. In order to get a definite value for a numerical expression, we need to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Just now we discussed. So, these four arithmetic operations we have to perform in an order. So, the order of operations we call it as BODMAS. Here, B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So, to perform simplifications on any numerical expression, we follow this order. First priority is for brackets, second priority is for off, third is division, fourth is multiplication, fifth is addition, the last is subtraction. We have four types of brackets. One is vinculum, or we can also say bar. The second is parenthesis, or also we call it as round brackets. The third priority of brackets is curly brackets. The fourth priority of the brackets is square brackets. In order to simplify expression involving brackets, first we use vinculum or bar, the next one round brackets, the next one curly brackets, and the last one is square brackets. Okay, so let's simplify one question without brackets, and later we will simplify with brackets. Okay, let's simplify this expression. The question is 15 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 3 of 5 plus 18 divided by 9 times 3. So the first step is using BODMAS. Do we have brackets in this expression? No. Do we have of in the expression? Yes. So 3 of 5. So 15 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 3 of can be written as multiplication sign by 5 plus 18 divided by 9 times 3. So this can be written as 15 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 18 divided by 9 times 3. Now off is over. The next order is division. Do we have division? Yes, we do have division two times here. 15 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 15 plus 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 3. Division is over. The next order is multiplication. Do we have multiplication? Yes. 15 minus 5 plus 15 plus 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, the next order is addition. Here, only negative number we have here. So, let's keep it on the end. Remaining all the positive numbers, write first. 15 plus 15 plus 6 minus 5. Now, let's add 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 6, 36 minus 5. 36 minus 5 is 31. So, the answer is 31. Okay, this is how we solve the numerical expression. Now, let's solve the numerical expression using brackets. Let's solve this expression with brackets. 18 minus 4 times 2 plus 5 minus 1 bar. We know that brackets are 4 types: bar, parenthesis, curly brackets, and square brackets. The first order is for bar. So we simplify bar and then we simplify the closed brackets. 18 minus 4 times 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. Now 18 minus 4 times 2. First we do multiplication in the brackets and then we do addition. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 4. Now 18 minus 8 plus 4 is 12. So 18 minus 12 is 6. So the answer is 6. This is how we solve with closed brackets. Now let's solve the question with fractions along with these brackets. The question is 5 1 by 6 minus 1 2 by 3 divided by 2 3 by 5 minus 1 3 by 5. So according to the BODMAS, first we use brackets. We simplify brackets part. So let's simplify this part first of all. 5 1/6 minus 1 2/3 divided by 5 times 2 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5 minus 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 5. Both the denominators are same, so we write down the denominator as it is. 13 minus 8 is 5, so 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we write 1 here. Now 5 1 by 6 can be written as 31 by 6 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 divided by 1. 5 by 3 divided by 1 or any number divided by 1 gives same answer. So 31 by 6 minus 5 by 3. Now 3 and 6 LCM is 6. 31 times 1 minus 5 times 2. This LCM we have already done in the factors and multiples lesson. Now 31 times 1 is 31 minus 5 times 2 is 10 divided by 6. 31 minus 10 is 21 by 6. This can be converted into lowest form. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3, we will get 7 by 2. 7 by 2 can be written as 3 and half. So our answer is 3 and half or 3 1 by 2. Okay. Let's solve one more question including fractions and as well as whole numbers. So this is the question. First we have to simplify the innermost brackets. This part 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, both the denominators are same. So we will write 2 minus 1 as 1. 32 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 1 by 2 times 1 by 3. Now the next part is we have to multiply these two fractions. Since we have division here, but we don't do division as of now because already here in the brackets 1 by 3 is there. We have to multiply this 1 by 2 with 1 by 3. So 32 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 1 by 2 times 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Now let's divide 3 and 1 by 6. 32 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 times 6 by 1, which is nothing but 3 times 6 we can write. Also we can write it as 18. 32 minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 18. 32 minus 20. 32 minus 20 equals to 12. So our answer is 12. Okay. So far we had seen the simplifying the numerical expressions with BODMAS along with fractions and whole numbers. Now let's simplify the numerical expression with decimal numbers. So these are all decimal numbers, and let's simplify this numerical expression with decimal numbers. So according to the BODMAS, we use the first brackets. We simplify first brackets part. So 3.875 minus 2.275. If we subtract 1.600, or we can write it as 1.6. 15.4 divided by 8.7 plus 6.7 times 1.6. Okay. Now off is not there, so the next order is division. Let's divide these two decimals. We already learnt about decimal division. That video I will keep it in the description. Please watch if you have any doubts. 15.4 divided by 8.7. Here 8.7 is the divisor. We have to convert this into a whole number. So to convert, by moving one point right side, 8.7 will become 87. When you are moving the decimal point towards right, the same number of steps we also have to move in the dividend also. So 154.0. Now let's divide this. 87 times 1 is 87. 14 minus 7, 7. 14 minus 8 is 6. Put a point, 0. 87 times how much is 670? 87 times 10 is 870. 87 times 7 will work 609. 1 6 61. Since we have already have a point, let's keep a 0. Now it will become 610. Again 7 will work 609. So remainder is 1. So let's see, let's select this 1.77 as a decimal number for this division. 1.77 plus 6.7 times 1.6. Now multiplied. 67 times 16. 67 times 16 is 1072. And we have two decimal places, so let's keep two places after point. And now 1.77 plus 10.72. Let's add these two. 10.72 plus 1.77. 12.49. 12.49 is the answer. So this is how we solve the numerical expressions with decimal numbers. Okay. I hope you understand the simplifications using BODMAS. If you have any doubts, please do let me know. So far you had seen that simplification of fractions using BODMAS and also included with brackets, right? So if you have any doubts, please let me know, and also please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.